everybody. Welcome back to the Bill and Ray Show. I am out in the Mad Science Lab working on some projects. I've got a little prototype of a art project I'm working on that needs a pulse motor. And another YouTuber, he was using sewing bobbins. So I got myself a whole bunch of sewing bobbins and some 33 gauge wire. And I just want to do a quick little video to show how I'm using this, and going to wind some wire on this little bobbin out on the drill press. So I'm going to show you that in just a sec. I've got the bobbin is on this 1/4-20 bolt. Tighten this nut just finger tight. I've got some tape on the threads so the chuck doesn't damage the threads. And then this wire will pass this up through the hole in the bobbin. And this is going to fly around a bit. Let me just put this up here. A little piece of tape on here. Then I've got a little vise over here. I'm going to put this bobbin in to hold the wire. So it's kind of under some control and tension. And then we're just going to hang on to this and turn it on and see if I can see it. That's plenty on there. There we go. I've got this coil with these little fine wires, which is going to be kind of hard to work with, so I'm going to attach some heavier wire to it and give this a go, see if this will work. Burn off this insulation. Some insulation is easier burned off than others. I can't remember if this wire will do that. If not, it's a little tedious, but you can scrape it off with an X-Acto blade as well. Yeah, so it glow cherry red. That usually is a good sign that the insulation is burnt. longer piece. I'll go over both of these wires. Twist them up a little bit. They stay together. Well, that's R&D for you. The 30 gauge wire that I just put on this little spool, I can't seem to get it to work with this circuit. I've tried various different adjustments to it. So, and I was a little mistaken on the gauge of the wire that I had on this first attempt. It's actually 30 gauge wire, I believe. And I thought it was 32 gauge wire. But this is working a little better than it should. I gotta figure out how to calm this down actually. And I do have an adjustment in here. You can see the LED lights up. It's actually lighting up with reverse current. So you can kind of fine tune it with that potentiometer, but it's going a little bit too crazy. I can adjust the gap here, and that will change that some too. Anyway, it's a work in progress. Try some more. Thanks for watching.